welcome to IT class of ICT tools. Continue the session of ICT tools. We are discussing about CPU. First, we are discussing about definition of CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. A central processing unit, also called a central processor or main processor, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer programs. Students, CPU is the important parts of computers. That parts how to manage, how to process of all things inside a computers depend upon the CPU. Next is component of CPU. There are three components of CPU. First is control unit. It acts like a receiver and manager of a company. It receives input from users and controls different parts to do the operations required. Students, control units help us to like a manager, to like a receivers of any data, any message, and how to manage, how to controls of flowing of data inside a CPU. Next is processing unit. It acts as an accountant of a company and performs all the mathematical and logical calculations. Students, next, processing units just like acting a accountant of a company and different places, different institutions, just like a company accountants to perform the accounts related operations. And processing units also calculate the mathematical and logical calculations. Next is memory unit. It acts as the storage room of a company where data is stored temporarily as well as for a long time. Students, memory like a storage room, a storage of data. This device store data for 2 temporarily and long times. Temporarily data contains inside a RAM. RAM stands for random access memory, and long times data stored inside a ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. Next is internet. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol suite TCP/IP to communicate between networks and devices. Students, we are communicating anywhere, any relatives, any colleagues with the help of internets. Without internets, we can't think, we can't possible to communicate anywhere, inside, anywhere in the world. Okay, types of connections. There are two types of connections. When our computers is connected to the internet using a wire, it is called a wire connections. We use Ethernet cables to connect to the modem, which connects to the ISP using a phone lines. Students, when we communicate, when we make a networks to communicate, for any discussions, then make a connections and wire and wireless connections. The wire connections to communicate to connect more than one devices with wire. And next is wireless connections. You can also connect your computers to the internet using wireless technology. Laptops need a wireless internet cards to connect a modems. Students, wireless connections also help the communicate and make a connections, but this connection is without wire, such as different technology to help for wireless communications, such as Wi-Fi, hotspots, Bluetooth, and so many devices for help the wireless connections. Laptops has already wireless technology inbuilt these tools.